Welcome to Dad English. I am Grace.
And I am Antony. Today, I am barely surviving.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to help Anthony wake up.
Grace, we need to talk about phrasal verbs. They are confusing. They are tiny monsters.
They are just verbs with a preposition, Anthony, like give up or show up.
Well, today, I want to give up. My day was a catastrophe.
Tell me what happened. Start from the very beginning.
It started when my alarm didn't go off.
Stop. Go off means to start ringing. So you overslept.
Yes, I slept in. I didn't open my eyes until 10 a.m.
Sleep in means to sleep later than usual by accident.
I finally got up and jumped out of bed. I tried to put on my clothes, but I couldn't find my pants.
I tried to put on my clothes, but I couldn't find my pants.
Put on means to dress yourself. Where were your pants? I don't know. I had to look for them. I looked under the bed. I looked in the fridge.
Why would your pants be in the fridge?
I was panicked. I finally found them in the bathtub. I ran to the kitchen. I needed coffee. But guess what? I ran out of coffee.
Run out of means you have none left. That is a tragedy.
It was an emergency. I tried to make tea, but I ran out of tea too.
So you had no caffeine?
I decided to do without it. I drank hot water from the tap. It tasted like sadness. Then I dropped the cup. It shattered. I had to clean up the mess.
Clean up means to tidy or remove dirt.
I tried to wipe off the water from my shirt, but it was soaked.
Wipe off means to remove liquid from a surface.
I ran to my car. I got in and started the engine.
Get in is for cars. Get on is for buses or trains.
I backed out of the driveway, but then, disaster. My car broke down.
Break down means the machine stopped working.
Smoke was coming out. It looked like a barbecue. I had to pull over.
Pull over means to drive to the side of the road.
I tried to call up a mechanic, but my phone died.
So you had to get out and walk?
I tried to flag down a taxi.
Flag down means to wave your hands to stop a vehicle. Did anyone stop?
No, they all drove by. They probably thought I was crazy because I was wearing one shoe.
You forgot a shoe?
I told you I was rushing. Finally, a bus showed up, but it didn't stop. It kept going.
I had to run after the bus for 3 blocks?
I had to run after the bus for 3 blocks.
Run after means to chase. Did you catch it?
Yes, the driver finally slowed down.
Slow down means to reduce speed.
I got on the bus. It was full. I had to stand up for 40 minutes next to a guy eating tuna.
I got off the bus. I was at the office.
I tried to sneak in the back door so my boss wouldn't see me.
Did it work?
No, he was standing there. He told me to come in to his office.
Did he tell you off?
Tell off means to speak angrily to someone. Yes, he screamed at me. He said I was slacking off.
Slack off means to work lazily.
I tried to point out that my car exploded, but he didn't listen.
He gave me a giant pile of papers. He said, Antony, fill out these forms by noon.
All of them? I tried. I kept on writing. My hand was cramping. But there was a math problem. I couldn't figure out the answer.
Figure out means to solve. What did you do?
I made it up. I wrote 42. Then I handed in the report.
Hand in means to submit work.
Then I needed to print a document, but the printer acted up.
Act up means to malfunction.
It wouldn't print. I realized it used up all the paper.
Use up means to consume the entire supply.
I had to look around the whole office for paper.
Look around means to search the area.
It was lunchtime. I wanted to chill out.
Chill out means to relax.
But I didn't bring lunch, so I went to the cafeteria to pick up a sandwich.
Pick up means to get or buy something.
I bought the sandwich, I walked to the table, and I tripped. The sandwich ended up on the floor.
End up means to arrive somewhere eventually by accident.
I applied the 5-second rule. I picked it up and ate it. Immediately, I felt sick. I thought I might throw up.
Throw up means to vomit.
I had to lie down under my desk.
Did your boss see you sleeping under the desk?
No, I covered up myself with a coat. I was invisible. After my nap, I decided to catch up on my emails.
Catch up on means to do work that is overdue.
But my computer wouldn't turn on.
Did you check the power?
Oh, it wasn't plugged in.
Antony, you are a disaster today.
Then a client called me. He was screaming. He was going on about a mistake.
Go on means to continue talking for a long time.
I told him to calm down.
You told an angry client to calm down?
It did. He exploded. I had to hang up.
Hang up means to end the call.
No, I fixed it. I called him back and apologized. We worked it out.
Work it out means to resolve a problem.
Then my boss said we had a meeting. He wanted to bring up a new project.
Bring up means to mention a topic.
I tried to talk him out of it.
Talk out of means to persuade someone not to do something.
It worked. We put off the meeting until tomorrow.
Put off means to delay or postpone.
Finally, it was 5 p.m. I clocked out.
Freedom. But wait, didn't you go to the gym?
Yes, I decided to work out to relieve stress.
Work out means to exercise.
I walked into the gym. I wanted to show off my muscles.
Show off means to display your abilities arrogantly.
I tried to lift a huge weight, but I forgot to warm up.
Warm up means to prepare your muscles. That is dangerous.
I know, my legs gave out.
Give out means to stop working due to exhaustion.
I collapsed. Everyone looked over at me.
Look over means to turn your eyes towards something.
I thought I would pass out.
Pass out means to faint.
I had to give up on the gym. I limped away.
My shirt was ruined from the sandwich and the gym. I had to dress up for dinner. Dress up means to wear nice clothes.
I went to a store. I wanted to pick out a new shirt.
Pick out means to choose.
I found a blue one. I wanted to try it on.
Try on means to test clothes for fit.
But the changing room was closed. The clerk said they closed up early.
Close up means to shut a business for the day.
I begged him. I said, please don't turn me away.
Turn away means to refuse entry.
He let me buy it. He rang it up very fast.
Ring up means to record a sale on the register.
Finally, my friends invited me to hang out.
Hang out means to spend time socially.
We decided to try out a new pizza place. But when we got there, the line was huge. We had to wait around for an hour.
Wait around means to stay in one place doing nothing.
I almost gave up.
Give up means to quit.
But we stuck with it. We got a table. The pizza was amazing. I ate too much. I pigged out.
Pig out means to eat excessively.
6 slices. My buttons were about to pop off. Then the waiter brought the bill. It was a rip-off.
Rip off means something is too expensive.
But I didn't have cash, so my friend paid, and I promised to pay him back.
Pay back means to return money you borrowed.
After dinner, I had to drop off my friend at his house.
Drop off means to take someone to a place.
Wait, I forgot. I promised to look after my neighbor's cat.
Look after means to take care of.
I drove home fast. I ran into the neighbor's house.
Run in means to enter quickly.
The cat was angry. It had knocked over a lamp.
Knock over means to push something so it falls.
I had to clean it up before the neighbor came back.
Come back means to return.
The cat tried to run away, but I caught it.
Run away means to escape.
I fed the cat. It finally calmed down.
Calm down means to relax.
I finally got back to my own house at midnight. I took off my clothes. I put on my pajamas.
And you finally went to sleep.
No, my other neighbor was blasting out heavy metal music.
At midnight? That is rude.
I went to his door. I told him to turn it down.
Turn down means to lower the volume. Did he listen?
Yes, he saw my crazy eyes and he turned it off. Finally, I got into bed. I drifted off.
Drift off means to fall asleep slowly. Antony, that was the longest day in history. You used over 75 phrasal verbs.
I did? I didn't even notice. I was just living my nightmare.
Living the nightmare is the best way to practice English.
Grace, let's go over the list one more time.
Go over means to review.
Wake up, get up, run out of, break down, show up, work out, try on.
Stop! That is too many.
Okay, everyone. Did you keep up with the story?
Keep up means to move at the same speed.
If you didn't, you can play back the video.
And please write down the verbs in the comments.
And help us out by clicking subscribe.
It really helps the channel grow up. Wait, just grow.
We want the channel to blow up.
Blow up in this context means to become suddenly popular.
Okay, I'm exhausted. I'm going to log off.
Thanks for hanging out with us.
I am going to doze off. Good night.
Good night, Anthony.